we were looking for something like a fuel like this. This is like everywhere here. This is something that we need for the night. And so we finally have fire, and this was really amazing. Sure. So this thing can feed our heat requirements for the night. इसकी अपन तलाश करने आए थे. ये है मैगी का पेड़. किसका पेड़ है? मैगी का. मैगी का पेड़. So we are finally back for episode 4 of Man vs. Mind. Come with me. We're gonna explore this place. We are right now in Khumbhalghar, and we just want to explore this thing more and more. Those hills up there are a destination. We just gotta find ways to explore and ways to live in those hills. Okay, come with me. Come on. So our destination is those mountains up there on top, and we are gonna find some place up in there so that we can find a perfect place for our expedition tonight. We just want to have a place to experience all those hills, this weather and everything. Okay, come with me. So we have found the perfect place to do camping in Khumbhalghar. If there's no one here who bothers us, then this is the right place. I think we've got the perfect view of the fort from here. Everything looks perfect. We're moving to collect some wood. Okay, move. We're moving to the forest. This thing you see out here is the best fuel we can get in here. This is a cow dung, and this is, I think, not full. Okay, so we are moving forward with this. Keep the camera straight. This thing is what we are looking for. We are going to collect this thing so that we can burn fuel in here. Place it here. Come with me. Climb it deeper. I think it's dangerous to go there. But see the view from here. The view is epic. That is the fort out there. That thing you see there? Yeah, Khumbhalghar Fort. And this is the view. And I'm just loving this outing right now. We're moving up. My guy is saying that this thing can be dangerous, but I just want this thing to be dangerous. It can be dangerous. He's quite afraid. It's just visible on his face. Let's see what happens. Come with me. We have this climb right now in front of us. I just want to find the samosa tree. What? The samosa tree and the Maggi tree here. We are looking for this tree. We are looking for some samosas and Maggi everywhere, but we are not able to find it. ये वो चीज़ है जिसकी अपन तलाश करने आए थे. ये है मैगी का पेड़. किसका पेड़ है? मैगी का. मैगी का पेड़. This is something we are looking for. बस ये चीज़ है, अपना खाना है शाम का. This is the food we need for tonight, and this is something that's gonna feed our, that's going to give us the energy. I'm gonna take up all of them. There's two on. This is the tree we are looking for, the Maggi tree. So this is the food we need for tonight, and this is going to be our food for tonight. So are you ready for this? Yes. Come on. आ गए हैं बस अपन ऊपर. Okay, this guy is struggling with me. I know we are reaching the top. We climb this thing. We're moving front. Come with me. Aram se. Okay, hold the camera. So we were looking for something like a fuel like this. This is like everywhere here. This is something that we need for the night. Camera in your hand. Now the view right now there. I don't know if you can just see or not. That is the Badal Palace. Right now it's covered in clouds. I wish we were there right now and experiencing those things. This is the great Khumbhalghar fort you're seeing here, and these are the forest, and we are actually don't find right now. Okay, see ya at night. So we have finally managed to put up all these things together. Here's my guy. Here is our shelter for protection from rain. This is what we have done, and everything is up and ready. Now we are about to light some fire up in here. Okay, so
आग में लगी
तो रहा क्या आग देखो लग रही है ज़्यादा लगी. So right now we are going to take some petrol from our bike. We are not able to light fire, so let's see what happens. Come with me. We finally have sufficient amount of petrol up in here. We're gonna light some fire. Come follow me. So right now we have some fuel up in here. Jay, torch worker. He's up in here. Show me. I am here, and we are about to light some fire because the thing is right now bad, and we just don't know what to do. And so we finally have fire, and this was really amazing. Somebody. Of August, last day number 72, and see that fort? Yeah, out there. Got it? Our destination is to reach that fort on time. Come with me.